Hello nursing students, in this video I am giving you full assignment of urine culture. Now I start. This is the picture of this procedure in which a nurse is collecting urine for procedure. Firstly you need A4 size paper in which make sure that put boundary on your old paper and write topic on upper side of particular page, and under the topic you write all the points. The topics given in the index that all are needed for your assignment. So start with first topic to last topic. That's the introduction topic. Write all the points which are given in this video. Don't leave any points. And the next topic is definition. So write it also. Next topic is purposes. It's also important. So write it carefully. Next topic is general instructions. This is also important topic. So write all the points in your assignment. Next topic is preliminary assessment. Write it also. Next topic is preparation of patient and environment. Don't leave any points. Next topic is equipments. That's all equipments are using in this procedure. So don't leave any equipments. Write all the points. Next topic is procedure. Write all the points. Don't leave any points. After that, last part of this assignment is aftercare. Write this also. Thank you. Like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.